Morning to you all. I'm Father Debin Joseph, teaching you social science. Today we begin a new chapter in Contemporary India, Part 2, Chapter 1, Resources and Development. In this chapter, we discuss resources and its classifications, development of resources and resource planning. We will also discuss different types of soils found in India and soil erosion and soil conservation in this chapter in detail. We begin with a famous quote of Mahatma Gandhi on resource. There is a sufficiency in the world for man's need, but not for man's greed. This quote shows the unequal distribution of resources in the world. So we begin with the definition of resources. Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs, provided it is technologically accessible, economically feasible, culturally acceptable, can be termed as resource. So everything in this world, everything is in the environment which satisfy our needs can be said termed as a resource if it fulfills these three concepts: technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable. So the process of transformation of things available in your environment involves an interactive relationship between nature, technology, and institutions. There is an interdependent relationship between nature, technology, and institutions. They are interdependent. Resources are the functions of human activities. Human beings themselves are essential components of resources. They transform the material available in environment into resources and use them. So now we make a simple division of resources into natural resources and human resources. Natural resources can be further divided into renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources can further divided continuous biological. Biological can be divided natural and wildlife. Non-renewable resources can be divided further recyclable, non-recyclable. Human resources can also divided structures and quantity and quality. The classification of resources can be on the basis of origin, biotic and abiotic, on the basis of accessibility, renewable and non-renewable, on the basis of ownership, that can be individual, community, national and international, on the basis of status of development, potential, developed, stock and resource. We discuss in detail.